At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a business in the UK involves several steps. Here's a simplified guide to help you get started. 1. Idea and research. Begin by identifying a viable business idea. Research the market to understand your target audience, competition, and potential demand for your product or service. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your business goals, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational details. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business. 3. Choose a business structure. Decide on the legal structure of your business. Common options in the UK include sole trader, partnership, limited liability partnership, LLP, or limited company. Each structure has its own legal and financial implications, so choose the one that best suits your needs. 4. Register your business. Depending on your chosen business structure, you may need to register your business with the appropriate authorities. For example, if you're setting up a limited company, you'll need to register with Companies House. Sole traders and partnerships may need to register with HM Revenue and Customs, HMRC, for tax purposes. 5. Name your business. Choose a unique and memorable name for your business. Make sure the name is not already in use, and check if the domain name is available for your website. 6. Tax and finance. Obtain necessary licenses and permits for your business. Register for taxes such as VAT, if applicable, and corporation tax for limited companies. Set up a business bank account to keep your personal and business finances separate. 7. Insurance. Consider what types of insurance your business may need, such as public liability insurance, employer's liability insurance, and professional indemnity insurance. 8. Set up your workspace. Whether you're working from home or renting office space, set up your workspace with necessary equipment and resources to run your business effectively. 9. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your business and attract customers. This may include creating a website, using social media, networking, and advertising. 10. Launch your business. Once everything is in place, launch your business officially. Start serving your customers and continue to refine your operations based on feedback and market demand. Remember to seek professional advice from accountants, solicitors, and business advisors when necessary to ensure compliance with legal and financial requirements. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.